Working hand in hand, a deep dive into collaboration. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to uncover the meaning and usage of a very interesting English phrase, work hand in hand. This expression is not just about physical hands. It's a metaphorical phrase that represents a significant concept in both personal and professional life. Let's dive in and understand how this phrase can be applied and what it truly signifies. Work hand in hand is a phrase that paints a picture of two or more people, entities, or groups working together in close cooperation towards a common goal. The imagery of hands joined together symbolizes unity, cooperation, and shared effort. It implies that the parties involved are not working separately but are deeply interconnected in their tasks or objectives. In this section, we explore why working hand in hand is so powerful. When individuals or groups work hand in hand, they combine their strengths, complement each other's weaknesses, and often achieve more than they could individually. This collaboration fosters innovation, problem-solving, and can lead to more successful outcomes. The beauty of this phrase lies in its representation of teamwork, mutual respect, and the synergy created when we collaborate effectively. Let's see how this phrase is used in various contexts. 1. Business and workplaces. Companies often work hand in hand with their partners to launch new products or services, ensuring that each entity's expertise is utilized. 2. International relations. Countries may work hand in hand to tackle global challenges like climate change or health crises, showing that cooperation can transcend borders. 3. Personal relationships. Friends or family members working hand in hand to organize an event or support each other during tough times demonstrate the phrase's relevance in personal scenarios. Now, let's practice using this phrase. Remember, the context should imply cooperation and collaboration. Correct usage. The IT and marketing departments work hand in hand to improve the company's online presence. Incorrect usage. He works hand in hand alone on the project. This usage is incorrect because the phrase implies collaboration, not individual effort. Today, we explored the phrase, work hand in hand, unraveling its meaning, significance, and usage. This expression is not just about teamwork. It's about the beauty of collaboration and achieving greater heights together. Remember, when we work hand in hand, the journey towards our goals becomes more enriching and effective. Hope this lesson helps you in understanding and using the phrase accurately in your daily conversations. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.